Well, it's such a lovely, cozy atmosphere, I think, for me as a teacher and for the students, since they've been all laughing and having a great time during the session. The views are beautiful. The staff is such a lovely, classy. Chess is all about problem solving. A problem is a situation you're faced with. You have limited resources, limited intel, and limited time. That's literally chess. You have limited number of pieces, you have unlimited number of possibilities of choices to make. Sometimes we play with chess, so we have the time pressure, and yet you have to take the best decision. The thing is, and the special thing about chess is that it motivates you to take the best decision. Why? Because it's competitive. When you have to take a decision at work, maybe you don't have to validate that something that you have deep down in you that I need to win against him. But in chess, you're playing against another one. And so there is the human nature tells you, well, if I don't take the time and the effort to think it through and take the best decision, I'm gonna lose and my mind won't be accepting it. So we're very motivated to take the best decision every single time. And also the way we've seen chess today as an introductory session, we've seen how chess has been a bridge between every single culture it has visited, from the Persians to the Indians to the English to the Spanish to the Muslims. And so that's something in common between languages and chess. It's a bridge and it's a symbol of cultural diversion.